One thing we're going to focus on is the economics of robots. Robots are essential for the efficient manufacture in America today. Unfortunately, the U.S. has fallen way behind most of the other industrial worlds in their per capita usage of robots. What we're going to talk about today is how robots can affect your bottom line in your plant today. I started reading Asimov's robot stories in the 70s, and I was hooked. In the 80s, I started programming Cyro 750s from the Advanced Robotics Corporation. Advanced Robotics is one of the many U.S. robot companies which are no longer in existence. This includes Cincinnati Millicron, and even Adept is now owned by the Japanese. We destroyed our robot industry by tackling the jobs that we couldn't do. We take the glamorous jobs rather than the easy jobs. Whereas in Japan, they do the simple stuff like flipping a part, putting a bolt in, or doing half the welds and letting the human being do the rest of it. Because of this, our robot industry is in ruins, and only now is it coming back. So fast forward to today, and now robots are no longer a novelty. They're an essential part of industry. They're used for welding, painting, most of our assembly. They're used in outer space. They are used in surgery. They are now an essential part of our economy and the efficiency. So based on my 40 years of experience in robots and the experience of my team here at ARC Specialties, what we're going to try to share with you today is a bit of the history of robots, the technology of robots, where they fit in, where they don't fit in, and we're going to talk about the future. So to properly apply robots, you need to understand their strengths and weaknesses. You need to understand what they do well and what they don't. One of the biggest uses of robots in America is dust collection. They'll put a robot in, but it won't run. They'll put it in the back and it collects dust. What we're going to try to do today is help you avoid these problems. So in a free market economy, the most efficient producer wins and succeeds. What we're going to do is teach you how to be more efficient by applying robots to your problems in your factory. This is Robotics in Business by MarketScale.